Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be unboxing the Target Premium Collection exclusive holiday Mythical Squishy Collection. I guess it's like a trio. You got the GameStop, the Walmart, and you got the Target exclusive. Um yeah, let's get to it. I mean, we got squishies. I mean, it's been a while since Pokemon have done like a figure collection set and something unique like squishies, so let's get to it. Let's open this box feels much better than the GameStop one. Same quality as Walmart. You know, very thick cardboard. Alright, hold on. How many packs do we get? Do we get 10 or do we get less than 10? Hold on. We got 2 Evolving Skies. Wait. 6, 7. Oh, you only get 8 packs. It's crazy. You get 1 Chilling Rain, 2 Vivid Voltage, 1 Rebels Clash, 2 Battle Styles. Oh my god, these things feel so cool. So we get 3 V cards. We get Victini V, Mew V. Oh, let me lower this down. So we get Victini, Mew, and Celebi. Let's see if I remember. Mew is from Darkness Ablaze, Chilling Rain, and Chilling Rain, right? I hope that's right. That's Chilling Rain, right? Chilling Rain, Celebi. Let me see. Yep, I was correct. So Mew's Darkness Ablaze, Victini's Chilling Rain, and Celebi's Chilling Rain. It's pretty crazy. I knew that. Easy. Alright, let's get to it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wait, let's look at the squishies. Yo, the quality. This is nice premium quality. Now, be careful for paint chipping, because that does happen over time. So keep these stored in a nice area. Well designed. It's pretty cool for Celebi. So yeah, just keep these, you know, like I said, be aware of paint chipping, because over time this will chip, the eyes will probably chip away and stuff. So keep these stored away and try not to keep them touching from certain things, because they could also get dyed on. Where we're going? We're going like this, man. And Evolving Skies. All right, let's see. What's the rarest card in those class? I think it's the Boss's Orders like full art, not the Rainbow Rare. Let's see if this one, well, this one has less packs, so we can't compare these to the other two. Poplar Toad, Scoop Up Net, Chatot, Coughing, Shinx, Sandy Gas, Roly Coly, Stunk Tank, Honedge, Chandelure, Hollow. Alright, let's see. Chilling Rain. Okay, we got Electric Energy, Chestplate, Caitlyn, Path of the Peak, Score Bunny, Diglett, Golett, Deerling, Sneasel, Aeron, Tessierna, non-hollow. We have Vivid Voltage, right? Moo Cheese, Duant, Fairthorn, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismer, Woobat, Beldum, Shuckle, and an Aegislash V. Yo, I've gotten so many Aegislashes Vs. Let's go, another Vivid Voltage. Has anyone pulled the Rainbow Chunkachu off a product? I want to see if that's real. That's something I do want to see. Fire Energy, Trumbeak, Hitmontop, Macargo, Weedle, Beldum, Fanfeet, Duskull, Electrike, Woobat Darmanitan V, baby. That's the second V card. Let's see what Battle Styles has to offer. Now, I am skeptical of Evolving Skies because sometimes that debates me. Recycling Energy, Urn of Vitality, Girder, Baltoy, Fomantis, Glaring Mr. Rhyme, Sparrow, Cubone, Morwalk, Conkeldor, Non-Hollow. Whoa, hold on. I gotta show you the back of the box. Okay, we got Water Energy, Pharaoh, Grumpig, Scrollless Scorn, Scatterbug, Honedge. What is this? Electabuzz, Gligar. Damn, my voice cracked. Bellsprout, Golbat Reverse, and the Drampa Non-Hollow. Evolving Skies. Remember, I only got one full art from Evolving Skies. So let's see what we can get here. We have Metal Energy, Zoelis, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Hippopotamus, Lippup, Nickit, Roggenrola, Bergmite, Victini, and a Dragonite V Alt-Art. What? This is the card. This is one of the cards I actually wanted. See if I can get this to focus. Bruh. Pristine condition. This is a gorgeous looking card. Let me wipe down the camera lens real quick. Sorry. Gorgeous looking card. Wow. This is my second full art from Evolving Skies. Alt-Art. Wow. Okay, so this box really beats it all in. That's amazing. We actually pulled that card in this. So we got Psychic Energy, Vigoroth, Ziana's Resolve, Dream Ball, Mareep, Zorora, Tentacruel, Hop Hip, Dino, Rubber Gloves, Milotic Non-Hollow. It's not even comparable. Oh yeah, so look at this. Look how premium this is. Wish you could feel this, because the other ones don't have something premium like this. Just a white border. It looks nice. I didn't even read the back of the Charizard or anything. But yeah, let's read this. Mythical Squishy Premium Collection. A powerful collection of squishy Pokemon. The power of the mysterious Mew, the time-traveling Celebi, and the winning streak of Victini, all in an awesome collection of rarely seen mythical Pokemon. The exclusive trio of mythical Pokemon is in your hands, both on Pokemon V and as a trio of all new Pokemon Squishies. The Mythical Squishy Premium Collection gives these unusual Pokemon a bold new dimension of squishiness, expanding your collection to a new world. Pokemon TCG Mythical Squishy Premium Collection include 3 Pokemon V cards featuring Mew V, Celebi V, Victini V, 3 Mythical Pokemon Squishies featuring Mew, Celebi, Victini, 8 Pokemon TCG Booster Packs, and Coco for Pokemon Trading Card Game Online. There you go. I didn't read the Charizard one or the Zekrom one, so I apologize. I forgot I gotta read every new box. Dang. I feel kind of, I can't do those reviews over again unless I can go back in time. And I'm pretty sure those have gone up in value. And I'm pretty sure I can't get the Charizard, no, the Zekrom or Pikachu one anymore. Alright. Again, we have our 3 V cards from our respected Sword and Shield sets. And we got like we got an Alt-Art. We got one of the Alt-Arts I actually wanted. That's crazy. Let's go Battle Styles. Let's go Rebels Clash, Riddle to Chilling Reign. We're going to leave Evolving Skies. It's in its own lane. Maybe my luck's turning out, man. We have Metal Energy, Electrode, Tool Scraper, Cursed Shovel, Nose Pass. That looks like Nose Pass's nose. I'm not playing. Wingull, Coughing, Bronzor, Tonxel, Masquerain, Boss's Orders Hollow. Is that a Team Rocket grunt in the background? That is a Team Rocket's grunt in the background. It's crazy. Favorite voltage. Okay. Water Energy, Wormadam Stadium, Metang, Mighty Anna, Railu, Eevee, C-Dot, Electrike, Fairy, Skidoo, Ampharosa V, baby. Let's go next one. We have Darkness Energy, Zip Striker, Dusclops, Beauty, Dedenne, Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Sableye, and Jolteon non-hollow. Can't believe I got that card. It'd be crazy if I got any of the Eevee Evolution VMAXs. I'd probably be dead. We have Fighting Energy, Scroll of Piercing, Avery, Dwaki, Coughing, Shuppet, Scovet, Spheal, Swirlix, Drizzle, and a Tauros Hollow Rare. Okay, we have Electric Energy, Shirley, Rapid Strike Energy, Phoebe, Horsey, Cherubu, Lickitung, Electabuzz, Drillbur, Clado, and Single Strike Energy. Shigarare. This is like my fourth one probably. That's probably my fourth one. I haven't got the blue one. I keep getting the red one, but not the blue one. I haven't gotten that one yet. Darkness Energy, Bruxish, Bouffalant, Urn of Vitality, Cacnea, Pawniard, Temping, Timbler, Glameow, Heatmore, and Octillery Hollow. Okay, we have Water Energy, Rescue Carrier, Scrafty, Ursaring, Slackoff, Petlil, Pikachu, Punkaboo, Lotad, Herdier, and a Salamence. I gotta grade this card. This is one of the cards I want graded. This looks gorgeous. Look how cool that looks. Don't at me, please. It's a gorgeous looking card. Okay. We have a Golurk. Wait, oh crap. Alright, I messed that up. We have a Golurk V, Energy, Lucky Ice Pop, Scrafty, Snowleaf Badge, Dino, Hoppip, Tentacool, Mary, Wobbuffet. So let's just look at this real quick. I'm gonna add this hollow. This hollow looks sick, so he of course goes in there. We got that. That's pretty badass. Yeah, I can't believe we scored an alt art off this. I thought this was impossible. I'll be honest with you. So not bad. I mean, hey, I can't complain, man. This is probably like top 2 best hits right here. Dragonite V alt art and Single Strike Energy. Gorgeous looking cards. We got some 4V cards. Salamence Hollow, of course. You can't beat that. You can't beat this card. Gorgeous looking Salamence card. And yeah. So in total, let's count these hits real quick. We're gonna include the promos too, even though they're not promos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hits. I mean 6 per box. Wow. Well, I mean, we got, hollows too, but still. Gorgeous looking card. I am happy I got this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.